We'll guide you through how to slow down video in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and import the video you want to edit by clicking on the Import button in the Media panel. Once your video is loaded, drag and drop it onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Next, select the video clip you want to slow down by clicking on it in the timeline. You should see the clip highlighted. Go to the toolbar above the timeline and click on the speed icon, which looks like a speedometer. This will open the speed settings panel on the right side of the screen. Here, you'll see a slider labeled Speed. Drag the slider to the left to decrease the speed of your video. You can adjust it to as slow as 0.1x the original speed for a dramatic slow motion effect. As you adjust the slider, you'll notice the duration of the clip in the timeline will extend, allowing more room for your slowed down footage. If you want to apply speed changes to just a portion of the clip, use the split tool to cut the clip at your desired start and end points before adjusting the speed settings. Once you're satisfied with the speed, play back the video to preview the effect. If everything looks good, click on Export in the top right corner to save your edited video. You can choose your preferred resolution and format before finalizing the export. And that's it. You've successfully slowed down your video using CapCut. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.